Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Twilio Verify for phone number confirmation step by step clearly. To activate Twilio Verify for phone number confirmation, start by logging into your Twilio account. Navigate to the Twilio console. On the left sidebar, locate and click on the Verify option. Next, select Create a new service. You will be prompted to enter a friendly name for your service. Choose a name that clearly describes its purpose. After naming the service, click on the Create button. Once your service is created, you will be directed to the service dashboard. Here, you will find your service SID. Keep this SID handy, as you will need it later. Next, navigate to the Settings tab in your service dashboard. In the Settings section, configure your verification message. You can customize the text that will be sent to users. After configuring the message, scroll down to the SMS settings. Make sure to enter your Twilio phone number here. This number will be used to send verification codes. Now, head to your development environment. Install the Twilio SDK if you haven't done so already. You can do this using package managers like npm for Node.js. Once the SDK is installed, initiate your Twilio client in your code. Use your account SID and auth token for authentication. Now, set up a function to send the verification code. Invoke the verifications resource from the Twilio Verify API. Pass in the user's phone number and your service SID. Make sure to handle any errors that may arise. Once the verification code is sent, inform the user. Prompt them to check their phone for the verification code. Next, create a function to verify the entered code. This function should take the verification code and the user's phone number. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.